In this video, we explore the map functions of the Water Affordability Dashboard. The selections made in the map determine what data are displayed in the charts below. When the dashboard loads, we see a map on the left with some states shaded in blue to indicate that we have explored the affordability of some utilities within that state. On the right are a series of drop-down menus that allows you to filter the map by location, size of utility, ownership, and the volume of water used. In order to see the utilities on the map, you must zoom in. You can do that by using the zoom controls on the left, entering an address, selecting a state, or selecting utility from the drop-down menu. Let's select a state to zoom in. When the map zooms in, you will see utilities with data available. You will see on the right side a button for counties that you can overlay on the map. You can do this for municipalities as well. You will see the utilities have different colors. The colors refer to the affordability burden level at the selected volume of water. The burden level refers to the combination of two metrics, poverty prevalence, or what percent of households in the service area are below 200% of the federal poverty level and the household burden income, or what percent of a low-income household revenue is going towards paying for water services. A legend showing the burden level and color are provided on the bottom right of the map. When you hover over a utility, you will see two information boxes appear on the bottom left and top right corners of the map. The bottom left provides information about the utility's characteristics such as its name, unique identification number, size, and ownership type. These characteristics refer to the drinking water utility only. We also provide the burden level and affordability metrics for the selected volume of water. On the top right, you see a chart showing the percent of block groups at each burden level within the utility you are hovering over. Some utilities have most of the block groups in one or two categories because the income level of households in the utility are fairly similar. This is particularly true for smaller utilities. Other utilities have a wide range of incomes and levels of affordability burden. You will also notice that if you change the volume of water used in the map, the burden level of utilities change. This is because the estimated bill for water services often changes with the volume of water used. We provide an infographic to help guide users with selecting the amount of water they may want to use when exploring affordability. You may select a utility using the drop-down menu here. Let's select the Bethlehem City Authority by starting to type in the name in the menu. You notice the map will zoom in and we will see the block groups in the map also colored using the burden level. As you hover over the block group, you will see information about the highlighted block group show up in the information box on the bottom left. Below the drop-down menus, you will see the name of the selected utility and the unique identification number. You can select other utilities by clicking on them in the map. You can zoom out and select utilities or use the drop-down menu. We hope this video was helpful to get the most out of this map. Thank you.